Okay, so we got red, red, blue, orange. Now we just need to get blue, white and blue here. Pardon me, we need white and green now. So just another little piece. The corners are where it trips me out. Interesting with my experience with corners at work. You know what I mean? Rubik's Cube corners? Yeah, fucking can't fucking remember the algorithm every time I need to use it. Oh yeah, I'll make sure on the corner note. Okay, so all those are right. That is not right. That one is not right either. They're both in the wrong corners. So what color does that need to be? It's going to be blue, red, white. Yeah, it's not far off though. I think I don't know. Get it to there. Fuck, it's around the wrong way. Do that same. It's around the wrong way. It's definitely in that position, but no, it's fluid. Let's go down there. Yeah, there we go. It's on the wrong side there. No, wrong corner. Wrong corner. It's very tricky because you end up breaking it as you're trying to move through it. You can get the daisy, which is step one. You want the daisy look with the white pieces. 2 pieces. So put those there. There we go. So we got blue and orange. Blue and orange in that base. We got that. We got green, orange, blue. Choose. Alright, let me have the daisy made again. See how the white one, top white ones, the side bit matches the middle cube, which means that's right. So I'm pretty stoked that I can fucking do phase 1 after about a day of practice. There's a tutorial that I watched that said it's an 8-step method, and you should spend a week on each step and to kind of be able to reliably do it when you need to do it. So I can make the daisy. It's when I try and bring these other ones up to the top corners before flipping it round to the white side. That gets me caught out because the cubes on the corners are upside down, or the orientation's wrong. So then it's just like, reorientate this fucking cube, this brick, without affecting the daisy pattern. So it's 2 steps forward, 1 step back, or something like that. But I'm gonna get this thing solved. I bought this thing when I worked at AAPT before I moved to Melbourne, and I've never spent the time to learn how to solve them properly. So time on my hands, I'm gonna learn how to solve Rubik's cubes. Turns out it's a pretty handy skill because you can see when patterns emerge in the environment. Let's say same thing happens on the Rubik's cubes. You'll see certain patterns emerge. That's really not wanting the 3 across, but the mini T. So it's funny, you can it's funny because my schizophrenic rants included conversations of quantum dots, an array of quantum dots, and that was being affected by the neighbours doing random fucking loops around the neighbourhood in their cars at random times, and someone explained it to me. It's called them God. That it's a flipping of these quantum dots, but they're all meant to be done at the same time. All these quantum cubes. And you know, if someone does something out of order, and the same thing with this, the algorithms required to solve this thing. If you do the algorithm wrong, you're fucked and you have to start again. Because everything's now out of order. Because you'll have a cube upside down. So careful with that. But I'll give you a progress update when I can reliably go further than the daisy stage as step 1.